So this is gonna be the how-to tutorial of Dababy Speedrun on Roblox. I'll tell you how to beat it. First, you just gotta make these jumps, just precision jumps. It's pretty easy. This one, you just want to walk forward. Don't hit shift. Don't run, like most people do. You fall off. And also, don't hit this red box thing. It's gonna insta kill you. So once you make it to the baby land, you just wanna run to the farthest building. Go inside. There's gonna be a giant baby behind it, so don't worry about it. This is all for the beginners, just by the way. So if you're already advanced enough, you probably don't need to know all this. But you come in the second house, get the second coin. Boom, done. Now this is actually a trick I use. You gotta go around the house, and it's gonna trap Big Dababy because he one shots. You see the health right above 32. Then you go in the safe, and you get the monkey coin. Get the monkey coin, you unlock this shed right next to the Bonsai Lamar billboard. Now this is where you choke the first time. So all these precise jump, boom, 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 boom. Then you want to hold. You want to hold it. You want to hold the space bar and just jump. It's gonna perfectly time. You want to just, you know what I'm saying? So you just make it up. And if you're fast enough like me, you actually have to wait because I'm just too fast at the speed run. Giant baby down there. So as you can see in the distance, got the Dababy mobile, the convertible from his song. I'll turn a M-word into a convertible. Now I'm gonna stay here. You just keep walking, and once you get close enough, you run off and jump. See? Oh, look at that neon. Looks amazing, right? This game is being updated every week, so there'll be more content. But you hold shift, go forward, and you enjoy the ride. And you just either land on the Dababy platform or don't. Still get a 2-8 anyway, which not a top 10 score, but still pretty good considering that I did this just for this video. But anyway, that's gonna be my how-to tutorial of how to beat the Dababy speedrun on Roblox.com. There'll be a link in the description if you want to play it.